So after stopping at a gas station to get the nail clippers, it turns out
we had one in the car the whole time, like right in front of us. I don't remember using it. That was magic. I made these appear.
Anyway, we have made it to Blue Springs, where there's 280 manatees that they counted in the spring today, and we are going on a two-hour boat ride. So we made it to Blue Springs State Park, and this is our boat. And here we are with 5 minutes to get on the thing, and they tell us we need to get a boarding pass. So Tasha's cutting the line right now to get our tickets, hopefully, so we don't miss the boat. It's an absolute beautiful day.
Yes.
Now we're on a bridge.
Move along pretty good. Oh, you see the bird over there on the right-hand side, hopping up that tree? That's an anhinga. That's a female. See her brown-headed neck? Male birds have black heads and necks. Females have brown heads and necks. But probably a lot of you know this bird is a snake bird. Yeah, they swim underwater. They spear their fish. That skinny little head and neck pop up out of the water. People think they look like snakes. Start running around, screaming, yelling, jumping up and down. Snake! Ah, help! Yeah, that manatee still hadn't come up. He's right here by me. Railroad out here. That was pretty much it for the steamboat industry. Rail was a lot quicker and cheaper.
I can't see it.
Yeah, it's like back there.
She's coming back. She's coming back to it.
Oh, we back up for gators, just not turtles.
Just not turtles.
Just back up for gators.
Oh, and there's a.
Oh, that bird that just landed next to the boat on the front right, that's the tricolor heron. It's not as blue as the little blue one is. It's your water bottle over here.
It's right there, like
the Pepsi. Pepsi.
Goodness sakes. Oh, sorry.
That's a good one.
Yeah, he's a little bigger than the last one. No, there's no manatee over here. Gator.
What is that?
That's a long way for that gator to stretch and eat a bird, don't you think? I'm thinking yes.
They're coexisting.
Right in the water. You're gonna pass it. He's like right down.
Right, yellow feet. Check him out. Golden slippers bird. But anyway, he said, yeah, when I was a kid, my father used to come down here with his friends. Sometimes they'd bring me, we'd shoot up a mess of those birds. Put them over a fire in a frying pan, make biscuits and gravy.
The dead, look at the kind of dead looking logs.
Yeah.
They're covered in
okay, okay. Oh, they're cute.
And there's one laying in the grass right there.
Mama's nearby.
Yeah, you can say you've seen a cute alligator.
You know, once I see them, it's easy.
Like baby gator?
Yeah. That's crazy. This little baby.
Yeah, he's a good sized alligator. On the bank behind the bottom there.
Yeah.
Boy, he's big.
Alright, everybody see him?
See?
Coming at it. 1 o'clock.
See it right here.
Little baby, see him? Wow, yeah, he's a big one. He's a big one.
Did you see it?
No.
Okay, straight.
Oh, there he is.
Right there,
There he
big guy.
is. See him right there.
Big.
He's huge.
What is that big enough?
No, he was in.
Now I get you a little closer, but not too much closer. Because
Missed him. Wow.
this that tree over there.
I wonder
That
how big
is
that
so
guy
cool.
is.
that tree up there?
That would have been cool if they like decided to get at each
To
other.
fight each other in nature. Yeah.
They're endangered.
Everybody got him? The bird that brings the babies. See his pink feet? Check out his feet.
He's posing.
I mean, they're flying through the trees. It's a wonder they don't beat themselves to death. They managed to miss the trees pretty good. See what? Well, but we see eagles, but you know they guess that they prefer trees of pine. So we don't much there.
Yeah, he's on the wall.
Yeah, that got cold. He's ready to go back to the spring.
Yeah. Come on out. Get a photo op.
The sun glare off the water.
It's not gonna take the camera
So
shot.
see that footprint where you
Yeah.
should stand in the middle, or is it going? Went deep.
Right here.
Oh, he's right.
He's right in front of the boat.
There he is, right there. Watch the water.
It's under the boat.
It's under the boat right now. It looks like one big bubble, but he went under the boat.
There's a good short back of the woods on that front. Stand if he ever gets out of my way.
Yeah. If she starts the edge, then we'll have
Aw.
tuna fish.
Oh, there it
There
is.
he is. There he is.
He's on the right.
It's alive.
You can see the grass.
Where this moss is hanging down.
Oh yeah, they are.
Right there, see it moving right there?
We know you're in there.
Yeah, he's playing hide and seek.
Oh, right next to a bird.
See, they're not dangerous.
Resting. Easier said than done.
Take out the stones,
Maybe that bird will get scared over there and not see it. Bobbing out of the water right here.
Directly in front of the boat?
No, right off to the side here.
Oh, right off.
You can see the swell. It came out like twice.
Okay, yeah. But if they cut off like
I was thinking that too, like bad mic sweater just in case.
That is huge.
And he's moving over. He's showing us that.
The rudder is hit him. That looks like frosting. Scar.
No, it's on its belly. It's like hand feet down.
These are little ones. Cats. Two cats. Oh, three. Oh, look, there's four right there. Yeah. Oh, yeah, you got a good picture.
Yeah, that's a good picture.
Oh, wow.
Well, because the way the sun's hitting right now, it's like,
Oh, and so those white marks are either
That's when it got hit by boats.
boats or
that's where the
frostbite.
On the frostbite, yeah. The ones that are more slices are pretty much both. I thought like you can get to closer to the water down there. Like you don't have to be so high up.
Yeah, you can't touch them.
There's 100 of them. Look at the size of these big fish too. That's cool.
Okay, so look at all those ones popping their heads up right now.
Right now.
Oh, look at them all coming up the. Coming up the line.
A few. That big one's still swarming over here.
That's a pretty nice fish right there too, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, they look
They're
huge.
huge.
They're just so big.
Yeah. I was just sitting there.
Those ones keep moving out. I don't know what you're using.
The
14 coming at us.
Then all those little ones there.
this dude right here.
You like
School
that little bait out there.
Yeah.
Eat 'em for later. Holy cow, look at how many fish are right there.
Holy crap! I did not realize that. This bottom thing is filled with fish.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't.
There's these big ones
I
right
saw
here.
those big ones, but
But
look at
then
all-
this is all full.
That is like. Yeah, not what I was.
Huh.
Is he
It's bottom feeding. He's eating off
the algae?
the algae stuff off the side of the dock.
Gross. That's why catfish are gross.
They taste good though.
Bottom feeders.
Yeah. Well, if it wasn't for them, it'd be way dirtier. So
You are correct. Thank you, catfish.
exactly.
Keep walking, Jays.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Big one there.
5, 6, 7. Are all of these dark?
Yeah, all those dark spots are the shadows on the ground from their bodies.
Oh, that guy's poking his head out.
Yeah, there's a huge. Huh. Well,
We drove 8 hours.
I know, to not see him once. And
Blue Springs is way closer than Silver Springs.
it is.